Good day, learners. Today we are going to study about the slope of a line. How to determine the slope of a line and how to graph also the slope of a line. Slope is sometimes called gradient and its symbol is M. Slope is very important in linear equations because if we are going to plot our linear equation, we need the slope. If we have the graph and we want to form the equation of our linear equation, then we need the slope. So the first thing that we are going to do if we want to study linear equation is to study and learn about the slope of a line. So what is the slope M in linear equation? This is the steepness of a line. So we have four kinds of slope. Number one, vertical line. The slope of this vertical line is undefined. So if we have an x is equal to any real numbers, we have a vertical line. You always remember this one. Single letter x is equal to any number. Therefore, that is a vertical line like this, and its slope is undefined like this. So we are not going to use the slope of our vertical line. The second one is another single letter. Y is equal to any real numbers. This is the equation of our horizontal line. So we will need this one also because the slope of our horizontal line is 0. So we will use that one. Okay. Number 3 is, and number 4, we have lines, and these two lines are either slanting to the right or to the left. So the third one is we have a line that is slanting to the right upward. So it's like this. When we have this kind of line, the slope of this one is positive. And then if we have a line slanting to the left like this, its slope is negative. So in our linear equations, we have these three: horizontal, slanting to the right, slanting to the left, and in the equation here, we have x and y already. We have x and y variables here also. Unlike in horizontal that we have only one variable y, in vertical line we have only one variable. Let's have now our slope, and we are going to plot our slope. Now if our lines are already graphed, then we are going to determine its slope. We don't have here the origin or the x and the y axis. So this is our slope is equal to y over x. It's y first, then x. When we plot our slope, first we do the numerator, which is the y, that is either we go up or we go down. Then we do the horizontal, we go to the right or we go to the left. Here, the slope is, we do first this one. First, we do the numerator. If the numerator is positive, then we rise up. If the numerator is negative, then we go down first. Afterwards, we use the denominator. If the denominator is positive, then we go to the right, and it's finished already. If the denominator is negative, then we go to the left. Then that's the end of our slope. So the slope is, first we do the y, we either go up or down, and then either we go to the right or to the left, and that is the sequence. Okay, let's have this one. And let us try these 5 examples. We are going to plot this one here. No origin. Okay. So now let's have the positive one. So let's start anywhere here. So maybe we can start here. Okay, here. I'm not saying to start from here. You can start anywhere here. But when we have already the x and y axis, you should start from a definite point. Positive 1. So from here, this is our starting point. We will start here. Now, this one is positive. Therefore, we go up once. But this is 1. So we have 1. Okay, so we are here. Then we use the denominator 2. And the sign of 2 is also positive. So we go to the right. 2. 1 and 2. So here, you cross it and use your straight edge and draw a line from here to here, from your starting point to the end point here. And because that is a line, put double arrows here, signifying that this is a line. So this is our slope for line R. So name that one as line R. S, okay, check, S is negative 2 over 5. You may either put the negative to the 2 here or the negative to the 5 here. It's up to you. So let us put the negative on a 2. So it will be negative 2 and positive 5. So it's better with this negative. So it's better with this negative. Then you put an arrow down. Means that we are going down. Afterwards, this is positive. Then we go to the right. Now if this one is positive and this one is negative, then your arrow is going up to over going to the left because 5 will become negative. Let us find some nice place here. Start there. Start with the negative 2. So the negative is going down. We go down. So start first with the vertical. Either we go up or we go down. Then we go to the right or to the left. Okay. So here 2, negative 2. 1 and 2. So we are here. Then use the positive 5. So from here we count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this one is your 5. Then we draw a line from your starting point to the end point. So here, always use your straight edge. When you draw a line, make sure that you are plotting it or drawing it with a straight edge or ruler. Okay, so that is our S. Line S, and that is the slope, right T. So, in plotting a slope, we need 2 points, the numerator and the denominator. But in our case here, we have only 1. In this one is the numerator. How can we have 2 numbers here? We place a 1 here. Therefore, the 3 is the numerator. Then let us sketch here. Because this one is positive, it means that we have to go up 3. And then we go to the right here. 1. Because that is 1. That's the shape already. It's already the shape. So here, let us here. Okay, here. Let's see. So from here, you see we have already sketched here that you are going up the 3 steps. We have 1, 2, and 3. So we are here, and we go to the right 1 only. 1. So here is the end point, and then we draw our line. Okay. Then the 2 arrows there. We Now let's have v is equal to negative 1. Again, we have only one number, make it 2 by placing 1 below. So here, can we sketch first? Negative 1 means you are going down, okay, 1. And positive means we go to the right, so 1. So you can see plus already that this one is our line. Okay, let's have that one here. So let's have negative 1. Where can we have that? Okay, let's have it here. Okay. So we have negative 1, we are going down because that's negative from here. And then negative 1, so we are here. And then positive 1 is going to the right because that is positive. Then 1. Okay, it's there. So plot the line here. Okay, that is line 3. And this is our line T. Okay. And we have our last example, the slope of x, 4 over 3. Okay, let's have the 4. What am I going to do with the 4? We go up like this, like 4, then use the 3. After going up by 4, we go to the right 3. And our line is like this. Is it clear? Yes, because it is slanting to the right because it is positive. So, can we start here? Start from here. And here. Anywhere. You can start anywhere. Right 4. First, we go up 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are here. And then we go to the right 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, it's there. And then get your ruler or straight edge. And then put the line here. Put the arrows. And name it as line X. And that is how to plot the slope of any line. Okay, let's have now. What about class? If we have already the graph of our lines and we are going to determine the slope. Let's have line A. Find line A. Where's line A? Here. Line A is this one. When you see your line, find some intersection of your line with this. The intersection of the x and the y axis or the horizontal and vertical lines. Because you cannot choose this point here because that is not exact. You do not know that one. Now, if you have this one, sometimes you will see that a dot or an x. That or an x means that is exactly on the intersection of the horizontal and the vertical lines. So from here, where's the other one? Here. So if you are going to start here, we go up and we go to the right. Okay? If you want to start here, so from here we have to go down like vertical first and then horizontal. So you have two ways. Up, right, down, left. They are correct. Let's have the first one. From here, we'll go up. 1, 2, 3. So you write here the 3. Positive. Okay, because it's going up. 1, 2, 3. Now we are here. Now we go to the right, to that point. If that is going to the right, it's positive also, right? Okay. 1 and 2. So we have 2 and our slope for line A is 3 over 2. What if we want to start from here and then we go down? Okay. If we are going to start here, we go down first because the first one is to go up or down. So we go down from here because it's going down, it means it is negative. Going down is negative. So from here, 1, 2, and 3. So we have negative 3. Then we are going to the left to reach this point. And going to the left means negative again. So how many? 1 and 2. So we have 2. And what is negative over negative? That is positive also. So this one is also positive 3/2. Okay, let's have letter B. For letter B, okay, this one plus. So from here, where's the other point? Here. Oh, okay. So from here, we will go up. So it is positive. Don't put any more the cross. We will go up. 1 and 2. Right. 2 here. Then we go to the right. And it is also positive. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have 4. But 2/4 is not in its lowest term. Okay, let us put that one in its lowest term by 2 by 2. So we have 1/2. That is the slope of our line B. Let's have our line C. Where is the line C? There, the line C. We have a point here and we have a point there. So where do you want to start? Can we start here? Yes, we can start there. Okay, from here we go down first. So use that one. We have 1 and 2. So we have -2. It's negative. 1, 2. Going down, negative. Then we go to the right. It is now positive. So this one is positive here. So count 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have here -2/4. And lowest term of this one is -1/2. Okay, that's letter C. Or you can start here if you want. So we have 1, 2 first. So we have +2. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, -4. And what is 2/4? That is negative. And the lowest term of 2/4 is still 1/2. D, letter D, here is our letter D. So from here to there, so let us go up here first before we go to the left. So from here we go up 1 and 2 and 3. And 3 is positive. Okay. And then we will go to the left, which is negative. And then 1. So we have -1. And then the slope is 3/1 is -3. That is the slope of line E. Line E, where are you? Here, here, and here. Okay, you can start here. 1 and 2. So we have 2 here, positive. And then left 1 and 2. So we have -2 because we went to the left. And then is equal to positive over negative is negative, and 2/2 is 1. So we have -1 slope for line E. And that is how to plot our slope and how to read the slope when it is graphed already.